this video, we are going to explain about the project title Blockchain-based System for Money Investment and Secure Transactions. Introduction. The primary goal of this project is a fundamental transformation of the conventional financial system. This is achieved through the implementation of blockchain technology, a decentralized and distributed ledger system. By doing so, the project aims to establish a new financial ecosystem that is secure, efficient, and transparent. Blockchain serves as the underlying technology that powers this transformation, allowing for more reliable money management and transactions. Traditional banking systems are highlighted for their inherent limitations, including the lack of transaction privacy, slow cross-border transactions, and vulnerability to data tampering. These drawbacks significantly affect the security and efficiency of financial transactions. Blockchain technology brings several advantages to the financial sector. It guarantees rapid transactions, ensuring that records are updated almost instantly, thereby overcoming the delays experienced in traditional banking systems. Additionally, blockchain maintains transaction privacy by encrypting the identities of the sender and receiver while preserving the transparency of the transaction itself. The immutability of data achieved through cryptographic hashing ensures data integrity, making it impossible to alter transaction records without detection. Ethereum, a popular blockchain platform, is chosen as the foundation for this project. Ethereum integration is achieved through Solidity smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with coded rules that automate and govern transactions. These contracts facilitate secure, automated financial operations, including deposits, transactions, currency exchanges, and more. The smart contracts are deployed on the Ethereum blockchain, enhancing the security and efficiency of the transactions by leveraging Ethereum's decentralized and secure network. Objective. The main goal of this project is a fundamental change in the way financial transactions and management are handled. This is achieved by integrating blockchain technology, a decentralized and secure system. By doing so, the project aims to create a new financial ecosystem that is not only secure but also efficient and transparent. The project utilizes cryptographic hashing, specifically SHA-256, Secure Hashing Algorithm 256, to generate unique hash codes for every transaction. These hash codes play a critical role in maintaining the integrity and security of the data within the blockchain. The irreversible nature of SHA-256 ensures that once a hash code is generated, it cannot be used to recreate the original data. In this project, SHA-256 is integral in creating tamper-proof hash codes that secure transaction data within the blockchain. Smart contracts written in Solidity and executed on the Ethereum blockchain are pivotal in automating actions based on predefined conditions. They streamline various financial operations, including deposits, transactions, and currency exchanges, by executing actions automatically when specific criteria are met. These contracts form the foundation of the project, ensuring that financial processes are secure, efficient, and accurate, ultimately contributing to a trustworthy financial system. Requirements. The requirements of the project are hardware requirements, in which we have processor of 5.5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, hard disk of 25 GB and above. Software requirements, in which we have Node.js, Python 3.7.0 version, and Visual Studio Community version. Methodology. To implement this project, we have designed the following modules. The first module is New User Sign Up. This module allows new users to create an account within the blockchain-based system. Users provide necessary information such as their name, contact details, and create login credentials to register on the platform. User Login. This module enables registered users to log into the system securely using their credentials. The system verifies the provided login information and grants access to the user once authenticated. In the user login, we have the 4 modules. The first one is Deposit Amount. This module allows users to deposit money or cryptocurrency into their account within the blockchain-based system. The system will securely process and record these transactions on the blockchain, ensuring transparency and security. Online transaction. This module facilitates users in conducting online transactions, which can include sending money to other users, making payments, or investing in various financial products available on the platform. Transactions are recorded on the blockchain, providing an immutable record of the transaction history. View balance. This module enables users to view their account balance and transaction history. Users can see details of deposits, withdrawals, transfers, and any investment gain or losses recorded on the blockchain. Currency exchange. This module allows users to exchange one type of currency, that is Indian currency to dollar, for another within the blockchain-based system. The exchange rates and transaction details are recorded on the blockchain to ensure transparency and accuracy of the exchanges. Blockchain integration. In the blockchain-based system for money investment and secure transactions, all financial transactions like deposits, online transactions, and currency exchanges are recorded as blocks on the Ethereum blockchain. The term immutable implies that once a block is added to the blockchain, the information in it cannot be altered or deleted. This characteristic ensures that the transaction history is securely stored and tamper-proof, providing a high level of trust and reliability in the system. Smart contracts written in Solidity play a crucial role in automating financial operations within the system. These contracts are deployed on the Ethereum blockchain and contain predefined rules and conditions. When certain conditions are met, the smart contract automatically executes action such as transferring funds or updating account balances. This automation improves the efficiency and accuracy of financial processes, reducing the need for intermediaries and potential errors. The Ethereum blockchain operates on a decentralized and distributed network of nodes. Each node stores a copy of the entire blockchain, including all transaction data. This decentralized model enhances reliance and accessibility because if one node is unavailable or experiences a failure, other nodes still maintain a complete copy of the blockchain. As a result, users can access transaction data and conduct transactions seamlessly, even if some nodes are temporarily offline. This decentralized approach contributes to the robustness and reliability of the system. Execution. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. This is the code folder. This is the investment folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. This is investment app folder. This folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. This investment app folder also contains a templates folder. Within the templates folder, we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. This folder also contains Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is HelloETH folder. Inside this folder, I have node modules folder. This folder consists of dependencies or modules needed for the project. Open .bin folder. The .bin folder often contains executable scripts related to the project's dependencies. So here we have run blockchain.bat file. Double click on it to start the blockchain. This script will initiate the local Ethereum blockchain for development purposes. It contains commands to start the blockchain environment. Now the blockchain is hosted on the local machine at this local host, which is this, and port, which is this. This address allows us to interact with the blockchain using various tools and applications. Now execute the command truffle space migrate to compile and deploy the smart contracts. Truffle is a development framework for Ethereum that simplifies the process of compiling and deploying smart contracts. They are deployed on a blockchain network and can facilitate various transactions such as transferring tokens or managing digital assets. Once the migration process is complete, Truffle will provide us with a unique Ethereum contract address. This is the unique Ethereum contract address. This address represents the location of the deployed smart contract on the blockchain. This is the gas used to execute the Solidity file and compile smart contracts. This is the amount of gas consumed. Now minimize this and go to the main directory. This is investment contract Solidity file. This file consists of Solidity code. It handles data structures, functions and events with modifiers for validation. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations and more. This is run.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. Double click on it to start the Django application. The Django framework will host the application locally at the default host, which is the local host, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link. I am copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome, and type index.html at the end and hit enter. The homepage of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Django framework. Now click on sign up here link to sign up. So here we need to enter all these details to register. So I'm entering the username, and the password, phone number, email ID, address, gender is female here, and click on register. So here we can see sign up process completed and record saved in blockchain. Now we will click on sign up here link again to register one more user. So I'm entering the username and the password, phone number, email ID, address, gender is male here, and now click on register. So here we can see sign up process completed and record saved in blockchain. So we have registered two users with two different username and password. Now click on login here link to login as the first user. So I'm entering the username, which is TrueProjects1, and the password. Now click on login. So we have logged in as TrueProjects1. Now click on deposit amount link to deposit some dummy amount to blockchain. So here we need to enter the username, which is TrueProjects1, and we have to enter some amount. So I'm entering as 1000 rupees and click on submit. So here we can see money added to user account TrueProjects1. Now click on online transaction link for online investment or lending. So here, this is the username, that is TrueProjects1. Available balance is 1000. So here we need to choose the receiver name. So I'm choosing receiver name as TrueProjects2, and the amount which I want to lend is 100. Transaction type is money lending. Payment description, money lending to TrueProjects2. So after entering all these details, click on submit to lend 100 rupees to TrueProjects2. So here we can see money lending recorded in blockchain with TrueProjects2. Now click on currency exchange to exchange the amount. So here source currency is dollar, target currency is Indian, currency rate is 84.63 and the amount is 100. So I want $100 to be converted in Indian rupees. So now click on submit. So here we can see currency exchange recorded in blockchain with source currency dollar. Now click on view balance link to view the balance. So here we can see username is TrueProjects1 and the amount the user had in the beginning was 1000 and transaction status was self deposit, transaction type was self transaction, description is also self transaction, and the user 1 has lended 100 rupees to the user 2. So here we can find all the details. Username is TrueProjects1, amount is 100, transaction status is sent to TrueProjects2, transaction type is money lending, description money lending to TrueProjects2, and again we have exchanged the currency, so those details are also present here. Username is TrueProjects1 and the amount is 8463. Transaction status is received from TrueProjects1, transaction type is currency exchange dollar, and here we can see exchange rate is 84.63, amount was $100. So we have exchanged $100 to Indian rupees, and this is the current balance which the TrueProjects1, the user 1 is having. Now click on logout. Now again click on login here link to login as the second user. Enter the username and the password and click on login. So here we have logged in as the TrueProjects2, that is the second user. Now click on view balance to view the balance. So here we can see we got the username, amount, transaction date, status, transaction type and description. So here the user 2 is having 100 rupees and transaction type is money lending to TrueProjects2. So this 100 rupees is received from the user 1 to user 2. So the user 2 is having only 100 rupees in the wallet. Now log out. And the conclusion of the project is the utilization of blockchain technology within the project ensures that transactions are highly secure and resistant to tampering. Each transaction is cryptographically hashed and recorded in a block. The immutable nature of blockchain data means that once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This cryptographic security and immutability provide a strong layer of protection against fraudulent activities, ensuring the integrity and trustworthiness of financial transactions. Implementing blockchain in the system significantly improves transaction speed and efficiency, particularly in cross-border transactions. Traditional banking systems often involve multiple intermediaries and complex processes, causing delays. In contrast, blockchain allows for direct peer-to-peer transactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries. This streamlined approach accelerates transaction processing times, making financial operations faster and more efficient, ultimately enhancing user experience. The project maintains a delicate balance between transaction privacy and transparency. While ensuring the confidentiality of sender and receiver identities, the transparency of transaction details is maintained. This is achieved through the use of cryptographic techniques that encrypt the identities, making them pseudonymous on the blockchain. Users can view transaction details without revealing specific identities, enhancing privacy while still providing the necessary level of transparency and accountability.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.